Hello everyone, myself Avijit Sinha, and today I am here with solution or explanation of the question paper of half-yearly exam. So let's start. Come on to the question number 1. Which resources can be recycled? It is renewable resources and some non-renewable resources such as gold and silver. Next is abiotic resources, also known as non-living things. Planting of trees is also known as afforestation. What is humus? Decaying substance of plant and animals are also called dead remains. What is natural vegetation? The vegetation or the forest grow naturally without interference of human beings, or it is also known as assemblage of species of plant or trees. Many rainforests have which types of leaves? It have spiny and waxy leaf and also leathery textured. Next is, who wrote My Experiment with Truth? Mahatma Gandhi. Who said, you will give me blood, I will give you freedom? Subhash Chandra Bose. Rani Lakshmibai belonged to which place? Rani Lakshmibai belongs to Jhansi. Question number 10. What is racial discrimination? Discrimination on the basis of color of skin. Question number 11. Who proposed doctrine of lapse? Doctrine of lapse proposed by Lord Dalhousie. Question number 12. Revolt of 1857 is also known as Sepoy Mutiny or the First War of Independence. Next is question number 13. Who established Arya Samaj? Arya Samaj was established by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 14. Who proposed Wood's Dispatch of 1854? Wood Dispatch was proposed by Charles Wood. Who initiated the Vardha education scheme in 1937? It was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi. What is Constitution? It is a set of rules and laws, or to run the government in a proper way. Who is the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the father of Indian Constitution. Number 18. How many fundamental rights we have? We have 6 fundamental rights. Which subjects came under Union list? Question number 19. Which fundamental rights came into existence in 2002? It is right to education. And number 20. Which subjects came under Union list? Such as defense, railway, post office, currency, foreign exchange. You need to write any one. Come on to the question number 21. Differentiate between biotic and abiotic resources. About biotic resource, it is obtained from biosphere. Second point, it have life. And the third point, some examples such as bird, plant, animal, forest, etc. From abiotic resource, all non-living resources, it did not have life, and rock, minerals, land and water are the example of abiotic resources. Come on to the question number 22. Give any 3 causes of soil erosion. Number 1 is deforestation. Number 2, overgrazing. Number 3, mining. Number 4, construction of dam. So you need to write any 3 point. Come on to the question number 23. Suggest 3 measures for the protection of forest. First one is afforestation. Number 2, enhancement or enforcement of laws and guidelines regarding the protection of forest. And number 3, efficient utilization or utilize in a proper way or in judicious manner. Come on to the question number 24. How do letter writing and speeches provide information? So you need to write only one example from each: letter writing and speeches. Number 1 is, according to letter, there are so many texts which written by Gandhiji is preserved at Gandhi Smriti, such as 60,000 books and 6,000 photographs. Number 2, writing and speeches. Writing such as My Experiment with Truth by Mahatma Gandhi, and speeches, that is Do or Die by Mahatma Gandhi. You will give me blood, I will give you freedom. It was given by Subhash Chandra Bose. Now come on to the question number 25. What is doctrine of lapse and how did it affect rulers of India? Doctrine of lapse, it is a policy which was derived by Lord Dalhousie. In this policy, the king or queen did not have own here. Their property will be seized by British king, and the king or queen did not have right to adopt any child for the throne. Next is question number 26. Differentiate between Anglicist and Orientalist. Write any 3 differences. First one is Anglicist, they followed foreign culture, foreign educations. Next is they prefer English language, and the third point is the followers of Anglicist were Britishers. Next is Orientalist, they followed the rituals, customs and traditions belong to the old manner. Second one, they follow Sanskrit language, and number 3, the followers are Mahatma Gandhi and pure Indians. Next is question number 27. Explain the right to freedom of religion. Explain the right to freedom of religion. It means which types of right we get under right to religion. It means right to, first one is right to propagate. It means you are free to advertise your religion. Number 2, manage its all affairs. It means you are free to manage all the affairs regarding your religion. And number 3, no religious instructions imparted. No religious instructions imparted in any institutions, colleges or schools. Next is question number 28. Mention any 3 advantages of universal adult franchise. It means those who attain 18 years or above, their right to choose their representative through their vote in their respective areas on their own ways. Number 2, they use their right to vote without any discrimination or on the basis of rich and poor. And number 3, people have right to vote under fundamental rights, and through these fundamental rights, people have right to change the government. Next is question number 29. Write any 5 differences between rainforest and tropical deciduous forest. Tropical rainforest is also known as tropical evergreen forest. Tropical deciduous forest is also known as monsoon forest. The height of trees of rainforest are 60 meters, but the height of trees of deciduous forests are 30 to 40 meters. Rainforest trees do not shed their leaves in the same times, but the trees of deciduous forests are shed their leaf and in the same time. Next is rainforest trees receive 200 centimeter rainfall, and Deciduous forest receive 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. Example of trees: ebony, mahogany, and rosewood of rainforest, and teak, sal are the example of deciduous forest. That's it. Next is question number 30. Suggest any 5 steps to conserve soil. Number 1 is afforestation, of planting more and more trees. Number 2, rows of trees or build shelter belts. Number 3, overgrazing checked and should be restricted. And number 4, checked reckless cutting of forest or reckless cutting of forest should be prohibited. Building dams near rivers should be avoided. Building dams near rivers should be avoided because it creates flood at the time of heavy rainfall. Next is question number 31. Describe 5 main causes of first war of independence. First one is social cause, second political cause, third in economical cause, fourth military cause, fifth religious cause, and sixth immediate cause. Then it's your choice that you need to write any 5 from these 6 points. Social is related to society. It means discrimination of the people on the ground of inferior and superior basis. Political cause: people of India do not have right to vote or do not to participate in the political decision. And economical condition, so many taxes were imposed on the farmer of India or the Indian farmer. Number 4 is military cause. There are discrimination in the military system also. There were discrimination in the military system also. How? In military, all the high officials posts were given to the Britishers and the Indian appointed as a inferior post. Next is religious manner. Indians were forced to convert their religion from Hindu to Christianity. Come on to the next question number 32. State the major changes in the field of education in 19th century and 20th century. I already told you, or I already discussed about this in very clear manner. First one is 1813, it is Charter Act. 1854, Votes Dispatch. 1882, Hunter Commission. 1904, Indian Universities Act. 1937, Vardha Education Scheme, and 1943, National System of Education. It means you have 6 points and you need to write only 5 from these 6. Come on to the question number 33. Explain the 5 provisions given the right to equality. Number 1, equality before law. Number 2, prohibition of discrimination. It means discrimination is prohibited. Equality of opportunity. Number 4, abolition of untouchability. And number 5, abolition of title. All these are the provision under right to equality. Come on to the question number 34. Describe any 5 salient features of Indian constitutions. Write any 5 features. Indian constitution is unique, lengthiest, written, rigid, flexible, universal adult franchise, parliamentary form of government, and so many. And you need to write only 5 and explain also. No, don't write only the main themes, also explain it. Okay, come on to the question number 35 and 36, which is related to your map questions. In the instructions I already given that only write the answer. Question number 35. Number 1. Where is Yellowstone National Park? It is situated in USA. Where is Hirakud Dam? in India, and Kaziranga National Park is situated in Assam. Number 36, question number 1. In which place 1857 revolt was broke out? The 1857 revolt was broke out from Meerut. Nana Sahib belongs to which place? Nana Sahib belongs to Kanpur. And Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to which place? Bahadur Shah Zafar exiled to Rangoon. Okay, Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Rangoon. First, he exiled to or deported to Calcutta and then exiled to Rangoon. So revise all the question very carefully, because it may be in your final exam some question are from this 36 question. Okay, thanks to all of you.